Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use Bixby without unlocking your phone. So Samsung has a built-in ability to trigger Bixby without unlocking your phone. So this is perfect when your hands are full or you just need a quick information. So first, let's go ahead and set up how to use Bixby while your phone is locked. So here we'll go ahead and open up Bixby. Next, we'll tap on settings at the top right. And here we'll find this setting called use while locked. Tap on this and go ahead and switch this on. Go back and then go ahead and tap on talk to Bixby without wake up. Here you want to go ahead and turn this feature on as well. So here when your phone rings, you can go ahead and say answer phone or reject call. If you have alarm, you can go ahead and you can basically say dismiss alarm, snooze. If you have a timer, you can go ahead and tell dismiss timer. So we'll go ahead and just start a timer. Bixby, dismiss timer.
I'll cancel your timer.
Bixby, open the weather app. So there you go, guys. This is hands-free convenience, so you can check the weather, set reminders, or send quick messages without even touching the screen. So you can increase accessibility for people who want faster voice-based control. And this is great for multitasking when you're cooking, driving, or working. So there you go, guys. That is how to use Bixby without unlocking your phone on your Samsung Galaxy device.